So let me show you how to multitask with multiple apps in split screen mode on the Galaxy Z Flip 7. So what you need to do is open one of the apps you want to use in split screen. So let's say I want to use that app, and then go to multitasking. So you can either tap on the multitasking button, or if you're using gestures, you can swipe and release, and that's going to open this multitasking window. So what you need to do here is tap on the app icon and then select open in split screen view. Now that's going to open that app in the top half of your screen and then allow you to select another app in the bottom half of the screen. So let me go ahead and select another app. I'm going to open YouTube. So let me try and find YouTube here. Here it is. It's the first time I'm opening it. That's why it looks like that. But as you can see, there is YouTube. Let me just play a video here. And as you can see, I'm playing a YouTube video here, and in the top half, I have another application. Okay, so I can use this divider in the middle to adjust the screen real estate that each of the app occupies. So if I want more space for one of the apps, I can just use this to drag. Now I can also tap on these three dots and interchange the apps so that the bottom app can come up and the one on the top can come down. And I can do that all the time. Now I can also save this pair of apps so that I can launch them at the same time in a multitasking view at any time that I want to. But that is basically how to use apps in split screen mode on the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Okay, now you can also turn your screen like that, and then it should be good. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.